In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your own game avatar on the basis of your own image. So in order to do that, log into scenario.com and then on the left hand side, select your own image, which I already have done. Once that's done, just on the left hand side in the prompt section, just write create a game avatar for me and then click on generate image. Before you do that, you also need to select your generator, which you can see on the top. I have already selected 80s enemy. If you want to select any other one, you can select it from the public generator, and there are a lot of them. So, but I am just going with the public 80s enemy public generator. Once that's done, it is selected. Right in the prompt section, create a game avatar for me, and then click on generate images. And then on the right hand side, it will generate 4 images for you in couple of minutes. So as you can see, it has generated 4 images for me. And if you look closely, what it has done is it has taken my hairstyle and then put it on this avatar, which it generated for me in scenario. And then you can select a lot of other generator. For example, let me select any other generator for me. So on the left hand side, I clicked on generator. Now I'm on this screen. Let me grab some other one. Uh, and as you can see, there are a lot of choices and some cool ones too, which is great. Let me go with maybe Bubbleverse, and then again click on generate me. Click on generate images. Again, it will take couple of minutes to generate. So now it has generated 4 more images for me on the basis of my own image. Okay, so there you go. It has generated 4 of them. One is bit girlish, and then this is one is bit boyish. And as you can see, it keeps iterating on it one to improve it. This one looks great. So I hope that you liked it. It's free, and it's very quick, very easy, very nice. And one more thing before I close this video, you can have your own private generator too. So if you don't like any public one, you can have your own generator, and then you can select your own images, you can have your own prompt and generate it from there. There are lots to explore in this scenario, and I'll be making more videos on it. Thank you very much.